Hello everyone, welcome to Evolution Astro. Today we are back at Numerology Series 1. We will be doing Psychic number 1. Hope you have not forgotten what is Psychic number. If you have watched this video, numerology, general, basic, very important must watch video in my playlist. So what's Psychic number 1? Psychic number 1 stands for all the people who are born on these dates, that is 1, 10, 19 and 28 of any month, any year. So 1 is a 1, 10 is 1 plus 0, 1, 19 again we add, we get 10 which turns up to 1, and same way 28, 2 plus 8, 10 which again comes to 1. So that's how we do this calculation. So number one represents the sun. It represents the sun is looked at as a planet in Vedic astrology, in numerology. The sun is at the center of the solar system, and everything, all the planets revolve around the sun. So let's look at some of the key characteristics of number 1. The number one people, they are the center of attention, center of attraction of any party, wherever they are. So they have that being a center of attraction. They are very practical and very methodical in thinkers. They have constructive thoughts, and they are very hardworking, and they are good in taking initiative. This makes them automatic leaders because the initiative taking is a leadership quality which makes them a leader without a title. That means they are like natural leaders. So they can generate very good ideas, and by nature they are motivating and inspiring, and hence their colleagues always seek their thoughts, giving them a leadership role. So they ask them, what should we do? How should we do? Make them to lead, and then the colleagues start following them. So they also have this in mind that they are number 1. Let's look at more characteristics. So they are very keen about the idealistic, keen about following their traditions. They follow the traditions. They are very particular about that. They get good support from people all around them. They can get promoted early, and they can reach good positions at work. So overall, they are well respected everywhere they go. They can build good businesses, and they have a very matured behavior at home. From the office, the work point of view, so I think they join, and in a lesser time they get promoted because they have already shown their leadership capabilities. Yes, and coming back to the home part of it, they have a very matured behavior. So if a number 1 psychic person is at home, then the family members look up to this person for decision taking, for leading initiatives, for everything. So they think at home they have a very matured behavior. So they are not worried about any hurdles, and they know how to overcome the hurdles, if at all there are. Very good at goal setting, ticking all the check boxes, to-do lists, completion of tasks, and they are close to perfection in this area. Anything they face for the first time, they are willing to take the plunge, take the risk. Say suppose at work there is a new initiative which is totally new, never done before, but this is the first time. So There's no fear. They would go ahead and take this, and they are willing to take that risk, and then they'll bring it to a proper completion. So they have an extreme good willpower. The willpowers are very good. Let's look at their appearance part of it. So how do you make out in the crowd that this person is number one? So they have a strong build, very strong build. They are well dressed, very neatly dressed, and from appearance they appear confident, balanced, calm and composed. And yeah, they have good build. One thing is they are fast walkers. They walk very fast because generally they are ambitious and they want to reach their destination fast. So they walk very fast. Their smiles are light. They have muted smiles. Let's look at karmic lessons. What's a karmic lesson? A karmic lesson is, these are small improvements which if this psychic number person makes, he's going to improve his life a lot. So these are the suggestions, the improvements. Let's look at them. So sometimes it happens that they are struggling alone and they're not asking for help. So they should know when to ask for help rather than struggling. So they are sharing people. They like to share whatever they have. They share more than they can with their friends and relatives, and later they realize that they shared a lot and they do not have it left. They do not have what they shared left for them. So overspending has been seen in some cases. So be careful of spending. Lending money, they are the first. They are like, if somebody asks money, they'll lend the money. So they need to be careful when they're lending money, whether they're going to get it back or not from the person they're lending. And they like to invest in risky ventures. So they shouldn't be too risky. They should bring this down when they do the investments. And they are critical people. So critical, they can easily look at something and find a fault in a person and talk about it. So they should not be overcritical. They should be less critical. So they make enemies when they are like critical. They criticize. They make enemies. So they are too ambitious. They should know to what extent they should be ambitious. So they should have a control on that. And they like to control everything around them, at work, at family, and that makes them very anxious. So the karmic lesson is let go. You cannot control so much, so you need to have a line drawn and need to let go. So they should not take more than required risk, as we discussed earlier to this. So let's look at the health part of it. So the health, generally very good health, and if they fall sick, they bounce back very quickly back to good health again. So they are prone to acidity, because we discussed about anxiousness as well. So the bone issues, we have seen bone issues. So they could have problems with their bones, and you could probably have hurt themselves, get into fractures, many cases like that. And lack of magnesium as well. So they tend to lack magnesium, which they should use the food which contains good enough magnesium as a way to compensate for this. Their eyes, apart from the bones, their eyes are easily affected, especially the left eye. It could be power, the vision, so they need to take good care of the eyes. So they should walk a lot. From the health point of view, the suggestion is they should walk a lot to improve their blood circulation. So I think we have seen low circulations in this particular number. There are rare cases we've seen heart related health issues, the nervous system, and points, the blood pressure. So they need to take care of these things, overall take care of the health. From profession point of view, we have leadership roles. So leadership roles is a big thing in this particular number. So they are born leaders. So very good to move at higher positions in the organization. They are good entrepreneurs, business owners, very good on organizing, so good organizers. And they work where there is a giving back to society. They would like to give back what they have got. So they can do more work, they can do a lot of work, and they have no fear of doing work. They are born workaholics. So that's about the profession. So let's look at the luck part of it. So what gives them the luck? The dates. These dates are very important. So if they follow these dates, doing all their good, the important tasks on these dates, then they would give more favor to luck in their life. So the important dates, very important dates are 1, 10, 19 and 28. These are the top important dates for this particular number. There are other dates as well, like we have 4, 13, 22, 31. So these dates in any month are very important for this particular number. Let's come down to colors. So colors, all shades, the color of the sun. So the color of the sun, that means orange, yellow, golden yellow, copper, gold colors, they are all good, very lucky. So if they cannot use them in a formal setting, they should use them in the places where they are living or working in around them. So at their living room or the place where they sleep, they could use it in their pillows, their bed sheets, handkerchiefs, etc. And from the day point of view, Sunday is a lucky day. So Sunday is like a lucky day for them. What's the speciality? So speciality is they give back to the world. They want to give back what they are getting. They are not selfish that they keep everything with them, but they would like to do work where there is a giving back to the world. So the next thing special about number 1, folks, is that they are calm and composed. Neither their happiness nor their tension is shown on the facial expressions. So what they are undergoing, it is not visible on their face easily. So that's another speciality. Let's look at some celebrities. So celebrities, we have some key celebrities born on this date. Aishwarya Rai, Lata Mangeshkar, Ranbir Kapoor, they were all number 1. They are all number 1. Another thing which I would like to add here is, so number 19, the date, people born on date 19, they are more restless. So because 19 is made of 1 and 9, Sun and Mars, so that brings in the restlessness. But 28 is, I think, more anxious. Date 28. So date 28, they would walk around over people. They just too ambitious. They do anything to move forward. So date 28 is totally stands out here. 19 and 28 stand out that way. So overall, yes, I think this is number 1. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Thank you and goodbye.